Are you struggling to master Python's built-in data structures for your next big certification or interview? Most candidates fail because they don't understand the underlying complexity and behavior of lists, tuples, and dictionaries. In this video, we will cover Python data structures practice questions, comprehensive certification exam prep. Master Python data structures with this comprehensive practice exam. In this video, we break down 30 comprehensive practice questions covering the core domains of Python data structures, ensuring you are fully prepared for the actual exam environment. Make sure to grab a pen and paper to track your score as we dive into these exam-level challenges. What is the result of the following code? My underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, my underscore list extend 4, 5, Option A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option C, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Option D, an error is raised. The correct answer is B. The extend method in Python takes an iterable, like a list, tuple, or string, and appends each element of that iterable to the end of the current list, unlike append, which would add the entire list as a single nested element. Extend flattens the input into the original list, therefore 1, 2, 3 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following statements about Python tuples is true? Option A. Tuples are mutable and can be changed after creation. Option B. Tuples can contain only homogeneous data types. Option C. Tuples are faster than lists for iteration. Option D. A tuple with one element is defined as t equals 5. The correct answer is C. Tuples are stored in a single block of memory and are immutable, which makes them slightly faster and more memory efficient than lists for iteration. Option A is false because tuples are immutable. Option B is false as they can hold mixed types. Option D is false because a single element tuple requires a trailing comma, like 5. What happens if you try to use a list as a key in a Python dictionary? Option A. The dictionary creates a copy of the list to use as a key. Option B. It works normally as long as the list is not modified. Option C. A type error is raised because lists are unhashable. Option D. The list is automatically converted into a tuple. The correct answer is C. In Python, dictionary keys must be hashable. A hashable object has a hash value that never changes during its lifetime. Since lists are mutable, you can add or remove items. They are not hashable and cannot be used as keys. Attempting to do so results in a type error. Unhashable type, list, Which method is used to remove an element from a set without raising an error if the element is not present? Option A, remove. Option B, pop. Option C, discard. Option D, clear. The correct answer is C. The discard method removes the specified element from a set if it is a member. If the element is not a member, it does nothing. This differs from remove, which will raise a key error if the specified element is not found in the set. What is the average time complexity of searching for an element in a Python dictionary? Option A, O, 1. Option B, O, log n. Option C, O, n. Option D, O, n log n. The correct answer is A. Python dictionaries are implemented using hash tables. Under average conditions, the time complexity for looking up a key is O. 1. Constant time. Because the hash function allows direct access to the memory bucket. In the absolute worst case scenario, many hash collisions, it could degrade to O. n. But the standard answer for average performance is O. 1. What is the result of list, Python, ? Option A, Python. Option B, P, Y, T, H, O, N. Option C, P, Y, T, H, O, N. Option D, error. The correct answer is B. The list constructor takes an iterable as an argument. Since a string is an iterable of its characters, list, Python, iterates through the string and creates a list where each character is an individual element. What is the output of D equals A, 1, B, 2, print, D.get, C, 3, ? Option A, none. Option B, key error. Option C, 3. Option D, 0. The correct answer is C. The get method for dictionaries takes two arguments: the key to look for and an optional default value to return if the key is not found. Since C does not exist in the dictionary, the method returns the provided default value, which is 3. Given nums equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, what does nums minus 1 return? Option A, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Option B, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Option C. Option D, 50. The correct answer is A. Slicing syntax is start, stop, step, when the step is -1 and start, stop are omitted. Python defaults to the end of the list and moves backwards to the beginning, effectively reversing the list. What is the output of 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 ? Option A, 3. Option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option C, 1, 2, 4, 5. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is B. The operator performs a union operation on two sets. It returns a new set containing all unique elements from both sets. Since sets do not allow duplicates, the overlapping 3 appears only once in the result. Which of these operations has a time complexity of O, n, for a Python list? Option A, list append, x. Option B, list pop. Option C, list insert, 0, x. Option D, list, I. The correct answer is C. Inserting an element at the beginning, index 0, of a list requires all subsequent elements to be shifted one position to the right in memory. This shift depends on the number of elements in the list, n, making it O, n. Appending and popping from the end are O. 1. Amortized. Can you change an element inside a list that is stored inside a tuple? Option A. No, because tuples are immutable. Option B. Yes, because the list itself is mutable. Option C. No, it will throw a type error. Option D. Only if the tuple has more than one element. The correct answer is B. While the tuple itself cannot be changed, you cannot replace the list object with a different object. The objects contained within the tuple can be changed if they are mutable. Since a list is mutable, its contents can be modified even if the list is an element of an immutable tuple. How do you merge two dictionaries dict1 and dict2 in Python 3.9+? Option A. Dict1. Update. Dict2. Option B. Dict1 plus Dict2. Option C. Dict1, Dict2. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is D. Historically, update, was the primary way to merge dictionaries. However, Python 3.9 introduced the merge operator and the update operator equals . Both A and C are valid ways to combine dictionary data, though returns a new dictionary while update modifies the dictionary in place. What is the output of x*2 for x in range 3, Option A, 1, 4, 9. Option B, 0, 1, 4. Option C, 0, 1, 2. Option D, 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is B. This is a list comprehension. Range 3. Produces numbers 0, 1, and 2. The expression x*2 calculates the square of each. 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, and 2 squared is 4, resulting in 0, 1, 4. What is the output of set Mississippi Option A, M, I, S, S, I, S, S, I, P, P, I. Option B, M, I, S, P. Option C, M, I, S, P. Option D, M, I, P. The correct answer is C. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. When you pass the string Mississippi to the set constructor, it extracts all unique characters. The characters are M, I, S, and P. Note that the order in the output set may vary. Which function returns the number of elements in any data structure? Option A, size. Option B, length. Option C, len. Option D, count. The correct answer is C. The len function is a built-in Python function that returns the number of items in an object. It works on strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. What is the result of A equals 1, 2, B equals A, B, append, 3, print, A, Option A, 1, 2. Option B, 1, 2, 3. Option C, 3. Option D, error. The correct answer is B. In Python, variables are references to objects. When you write B equals a backquote, both a backquote and B backquote point to the same list object in memory. Modifying the list through B backquote affects the same object that a backquote references. Therefore, a backquote also shows the appended value. Which method returns all the keys of a dictionary? Option A, keys. Option B, get_keys. Option C, all_ keys. Option D, names. The correct answer is A. The keys. Backquote method returns a view object that displays a list of all the keys in the dictionary. This view object automatically updates if the dictionary is modified. What is the output of 1, 2, *3 backquote? Option A, 3, 6. Option B, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Option C, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Option D, error. The correct answer is B. The multiplication operator ***, when used with a list and an integer, performs repetition. It creates a new list by repeating the original list the specified number of times. What is an empty set in Python? Option A. Option B, set. Option C. Option D. The correct answer is B. Backquote is reserved for an empty dictionary. To create an empty set, you must use the set constructor function. This is a common point of confusion for beginners. Which module provides a double-ended queue, dec, for efficient appends and pops from both ends? Option A, queue. Option B, collections. Option C, struct. Option D, bisect. The correct answer is B. The collections module contains the dec class. While a standard list is fast for appending and popping from the end, it is slow for popping from the start. Dec provides O1 performance for both ends. What does **popitum do in a Python dictionary 3.7+? Option A. Removes a random item. Option B. Removes the first item inserted. Option C. Removes the last item inserted. Option D. Clears the whole dictionary. The correct answer is C. In Python 3.7 and later, dictionaries maintain insertion order. The **popitum method removes and returns the last LIFO key value pair added to the dictionary. In older versions, it removed an arbitrary item. What is the time complexity of len my_list in Python? Option A, O(n). Option B, O(1). Option C, O(log n). Option D, O(n²). The correct answer is B. Python's list objects store their size internally. When you call len, Python simply retrieves this stored integer value rather than counting every element, making the operation O1, regardless of list size. Which of these is used to unpack a tuple t equals 1, 2, into variables x and y? Option A, x. Y equals t. Option B, x equals t, 0. Y equals t, 1. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is C. Both methods are valid. Tuple unpacking, A, is the more Pythonic way to assign multiple variables at once from an iterable. Indexing, B, also works but is more verbose. What is the complexity of the in operator for a list versus a set? Option A, list, O, 1, set, O, n. Option B, list, O, n, set, O, 1. Option C, both are O, n. Option D, both are O, 1. The correct answer is B. Checking membership. Element in collection in a list requires checking every element until a match is found. Which is O, n. A set uses a hash table, allowing for O, 1. Membership testing on average. Which of the following creates a shallow copy of a dictionary D? Option A, D, copy. Option B, dict, D. Option C, D, deep copy. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both D, copy. And dict, D. Create a shallow copy. This means a new dictionary is created. But if the original contains nested mutable objects, like lists, both dictionaries will still refer to those same nested objects. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 to 4, Option A, 1, 2, 3. Option B, 2, 3, 4. Option C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is B. Slicing start, stop. Includes the start index but excludes the stop index. Indexing starts at 0, so index 1 is 2, and index 4 is 5. Excluded. The result is 2, 3, 4. What is the result of 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 Option A, 1. Option B, 4. Option C, 1, 4. Option D. The correct answer is A. The operator performs a difference operation. It returns elements that are in the first set but not in the second set. Only 1 fits this description. How do you add an element to the end of a list? Option A, add. Option B, insert. Option C, append. Option D, push. The correct answer is C. The append method is the standard way to add a single item to the end of a list. Add is used for sets, and insert requires an index. What does D, set default k 0 do? Option A, deletes the key k. Option B, sets the key k to 0 if it doesn't exist, and returns the value. Option C, always sets k to 0 regardless of current value. Option D. Returns 0 if k is not found, but doesn't modify the dict. The correct answer is B. The backquote set default backquote method checks if a key exists. If it does, it returns the current value. If it doesn't, it inserts the key with the provided default value and returns that value. This is useful for initializing keys. What is the value of backquote x backquote after backquote x equals 1, 2, 3, x 1 to 2 equals 4, 5, 6 backquote? Option A. 1, 4, 5, 6, 3. Option B. 1, 4, 5, 6, 3. Option C. 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Option D. Error. The correct answer is B. Slice assignment allows you to replace a portion of a list with an iterable. Here, the slice backquote x 1 to 2 backquote, which is just the element backquote 2 backquote, is replaced by the 3 elements backquote 4, 5, 6 backquote. The list grows to accommodate the new items. That wraps up our 30-question deep dive into Python data structures. How did you do? Data structures are the foundation of efficient code, and mastering them is a huge step toward becoming a senior Python developer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more certification prep content. For the full practice exam and additional resources, check the link in the description below.